Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are continuing the 100 days of AWS series by Code Cloud Engineer, and today's task is to attach an elastic IP to an EC2 instance. So the task is there is an instance named DevOps EC2 and elastic IP named DevOps EC2 EIP in USG1 region. We need to attach the elastic IP to our EC2 instance. So elastic IP is static public IP which is provided by AWS, and unless uh, normal public IP addresses that are attached to our EC2 instance, when we stop the instance and start the instance again, it will basically change the public IP, and we use static IP or elastic IP in case where we need permanent public IP for our servers. So log into AWS console by given credentials and go to EC2 dashboard and verify our instance. As you can see, our instance is running and it has public IP address of 3.90.109.80. If I stop the instance and start again this EC2 instance, the public IP will change. So we are going to attach elastic IP to the instance. When the elastic IP is attached to an EC2 instance, so the public IP will remain the same. So let's verify our elastic IP. Go to elastic IP, and as you can see, the DevOps EC2 EIP is already created. So we need to attach this to our EC2 instance. Select the elastic IP, click on actions, click on associate elastic IP, and click on choose instance, and this is our instance and its private IP is this, and now click on associate. So our elastic IP has been associated successfully. We can verify from our EC2 instance. This is the elastic IP 34.196.141.93, and go to EC2 and verify. Let's refresh this, and as you can see, the public IP is now changed, which is the 34.196.141.93, which is the same as our elastic IP. So let's verify our task. Yes,